Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys how would you know that what if a certain stock is worth buying or selling. So how would you recognize certain stocks? How generally it means that how would you recognize entry points and exit points. This video is about how to enter and exit, and how would you know that this stock is worth buying or selling. So all of this I'm going to explain in this video, so watch till the end and let's get started. Now entry and exit points are a must for every stock that you're going to buy or invest in. So do not blindly enter and do not blindly exit out of certain stocks, because all of the stocks perform different moves at different times. Now you can see right here, this stock, I wouldn't invest in this stock because you can see this is already at its all-time high, and I wouldn't invest in this stock because there is one way that this stock will go, and that is in the downward direction. So I'm going to enter this stock from the upside and move along the downside. So this would be my move in this case, and I wouldn't enter, and I would try to avoid this stock because you can see that this is already at its all-time high, and if I enter in this point and it will move in the downward direction, then uh, I would face losses. So I'm not going to I do not want that to happen. The only thing I want that to happen is to move upward. So this is already at its it's at its highest price. So I would avoid this stock and move and find another stock to enter. Now you can see that this is now how I recognize it, that this stock is not worth buying. You can see that this is above the 200-day moving average and far above. So this 200-day moving average helps me recognize that this stock is not worth buying and this stock is worth selling if I would have entered into it at this position. If I entered at this position, then at this point I would should have exit by now. So this is the strategy that this is the first strategy that you should use at this case. No, sorry, this is the one method that you should recognize, that would help you recognize this stock worth selling or buying. Now as far as entry points, this stock is good for short selling. Now if it moves in the downward direction, so this stock is good for is good to short your position in this case, because the only way it will move is downward. So it will give you a great chance if this stock moves in the downward direction. Now what about in this case? This is the Ichimoku cloud. So in this case it is also you can see above, far above from this. Now if the stock was trading below the cloud, this cloud, so it you should buy or invest in this stock. Now as you can see that this is trading above the cloud, so it is not worth buying, only it is worth short selling. You should short sell this stock in at any time when this stock tries to, and this stock reverses or performs a move in and tries to come down, move in a downward direction, or the move is a short worth short selling. So short sell this stock at any point when you see that this is going to reverse. So different stocks will help you recognize different moves at different points. So, and you'll have to recognize each and every move at different stocks, whether this stock is worth buying or whether this stock is worth selling. Now in this case, as I've recognized this area as the resistance level, so at this point I've recognized that this area, if it performs another move just like this, another bearish candle, then this stock, short sell your position in this stock and wait for it so that you can have a great mm, and wait for it so that it can give you a great fortune. So after that, if this moves upward and crosses this resistance level, then enter at that point and move along the trend. If it comes down, crosses this trend line, the support level, confirms its position and moves downward, then this downtrend, and enter at that point, short sell your position and move along that until you recognize to close your position. So those are the methods of entry and exit points at different levels, and if you know how to do that correctly, then you would have know that when to enter and when to exit that this is not a matter for you, and you would have easily enter and exit at different points. So try to recognize these areas, because these will help you a lot in different situations. Now you can see again above the 200-day moving average. I'm not going to invest in it. Do not invest in it, because you can see in short I would say that is that have a set of indicators and tools and strategies that are easy for you to help you recognize different entry points and exit points at different levels. So have a certain strategy like that, and that will help you a lot while you're trading in the stock market, because the stock market is all about applying different strategies at different times. So that will help you in recognizing different strategies, recognizing different entry points and exit points. And also it will help you recognize that if a certain stock is worth buying or selling, or a certain stock is worth ignoring, or worth to ignore, or a certain stock is worth short selling, or taking long position in a certain stock. It will all recognize you those things. Those if you have a set of strategies, indicators and tools, it will help you recognize all of these things within no time, and easily you'll know when to enter and exit at different points. So try to have a set of indicators and tools in which you found ease in. Now you can see in this case mine are easy. The 200-day moving average, the Ichimoku cloud, when the stock is trading above these two, above when the stock is trading above the Ichimoku cloud, and the stock is trading above the moving average, the 200-day moving average, then it is already at its all-time high, and I'm not going to bother into investing in it. Now let me show you two other cases that I have plotted right here. In this case you can see the 200-day moving average trading below, the Ichimoku cloud trading below, and it's a heavy cloud, and also this there is a support level. So let's see what happens next in this case, and we will see. You can see this is my risk to reward ratio I plotted right here at this point. Yes. So let's see what happens next in this case, because you can see it just recovered. I think I've entered right here. When was 31st? Yes, I guess I entered right here. I made an entry right here, and the stock moved downward, touch this trend, the support level, and then it will move upward. So try to have a set of strategies, tools and indicators that will help you recognize different strategies at different points, and it would be easy for you to use those strategies, apply those strategies at different points and different level. There is one other stock as well. I will show you that as well. You can see the FABL. This is trading inside the cloud. So this is a phase of indecision. Do not enter at this point, or make an entry when you see that this stock is going to grow in value. Now I see that this stock is going to grow in value, so I've already entered right here. Again I made an entry somewhere here, and now let's see what happens next, because this is a strong resistance level. So let's see what happens next in this stock. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.